In the optic of offering the best solution for a customer, it was natural for us to turn ourselves to new technology and replacing manual or conventional and traditional inspection process. We looked at 3D scanning, and it was natural for us to just go with Creaform scanning solution. Nucleom is a Canadian-based and owned company that started its activity in the nuclear industry, and now it operates internationally into the refineries, pipelines, aerospace, manufacturing markets. When we are using the Creaform technology, we reduce the downtime, we increase the accuracy and reliability by reducing the human factor. With manual, if we need to take an additional measurement or to go back in the nuclear facility, we need to suit up and get back inside, and sometimes it's not even possible. Performing 3D scan inspection allows us to feel confident about the result we're giving to the customer. The scanners are so repeatable and accurate that it reduces our chance of getting back in the vault and performing additional measurement because of the permanent data record and the possibility to perform advanced analysis. It often happens that the inspection or the customer requirements needs us to use our engineering team to develop and adapt existing, let's say, conventional solution to fit their needs. So that's why we use a 3D scan paired with the 3D printers for rapid prototyping. During the maintenance and refurbishment of nuclear power plant, we use the HandySCAN 3D. We use it for welding preparation before and after the process to just ensure that the process went smoothly. The Metroscan is our go-to solution when we need to scan larger volume with little to no part preparation. We often combine it with the long-range scanner in order to get more accurate and detailed information on specific location of the entire room or environment volume. Creaform technology has contributed to the expansion of our service offer, and we are excited to keep innovating together.